Hey you guys, welcome back to K&K's Inspired Creations with Latara. So today I'm going to show you guys how I made these mini honey pots for my dining room tablescape. So I started off by grabbing some of these little pots that you can get from the St. Patrick's Day section, the little, for the little gold or whatever. So those are what I'm using. And so what I did is I grabbed some of these little stones that you get from Dollar Tree, and I'm putting them at the bottom so that once I put the glue and all the other stuff in there, I just didn't want it to be top heavy and kind of topple over. So right now I'm just kind of tracing out this bottle cap because it's about the size of the opening of the little pots. And so I'm just tracing it out on this foam paper. It's like a sticky foam paper. So I'm gonna basically cut those out and then stick it on the top of those so that I can make it look like it's overflowing with honey. And I don't know where I got these foam sheets from. You can probably look them up and see if they're on Amazon. They're like foam sheets and they're sticky on the back, so I didn't have to hot glue them or anything like that. It was very simple. I just peeled the back off and they stuck to the top of it, and it actually worked out really well. So right now I'm using silicone caulk that you can get from Dollar Tree. And basically what I'm doing is I am going to make the mixture for my honey, my fake honey. So I took some of the silicone caulk, I added some yellow paint that I got from Dollar Tree, as well as some Mod Podge. This one is glossy. And I'm just kind of mixing it together to kind of get the color that I want. And so once I get it the consistency that I want, and basically the consistency I'm looking for is like kind of like a drip, because I do want the honey to kind of like fall out. So I want it to be kind of drippy. I'm just putting hot glue on the inside just to make sure that the stones that I put in there don't move around, which would be weird. So I just put hot glue in there just to get them to stay. So like I said, this has sticky stuff on the bottom of it, so you can just peel it off and then just stick it to the containers. And I do want to take a second to thank you so much for watching my videos. You can be watching anybody else's videos on the planet, but you're watching mine, and I'm so appreciative of that. If this is your first time here, welcome to my little pastel bakery corner of the internet. And if you are returning, hey fake bake besties, thank you so much for coming back. Here we create fake bake desserts, seasonal decor, and fun DIY pieces that look good enough to eat. So if that is your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. So as you can see, I got the little top on all of those, the little foam sheets. And now I'm just taking some of that mixture and just plopping it right in the middle. What I like to do is just put a decent amount on there and just kind of smooth it to the edge and kind of allow it to drip down naturally. I don't want to make it look like I made the drips. I just want it to kind of like let gravity do its thing. So I usually just will put a whole bunch on there and then just kind of, push it to the edge and kind of let it do what it does. And it worked out good. I like the way that it ended up dripping. It looks very natural. As you can see, I literally took my time doing that because I just want it to drip, naturally. And I'm pretty much going to do that with the other two. I think I ended up making like 5 of these, but on this particular video, I think I'm only going to show 3. And so once that mixture, it dried, I don't know, I wasn't a big fan. It kind of was flat. It was flatter than I expected. And also, you know how glue has like, it kind of has like a not like see-through, but it's not opaque, right? Like it's not solid. So the honey that I had on there was very solid. So I went ahead and grabbed some of these yellow glue sticks that you can get from like Amazon. I put them in the description. And all I did was I just put some on in the middle like usual, and then I kind of spread it around, right? And then I'm also going to take it and put it on the drips as well. And I just wanted to make it look like more kind of see-through-ish or whatever, or like, you know how honey is. But that's all I did. Just kind of give it a more honey-ish kind of look, if that makes sense. I don't really know how to explain it, but that's all I did. You don't have to do both parts. I really wanted the yellow to show through, but I just wanted it to kind of give that like see-through look as well. So that's why I kind of did both. But as you can see, it was a very simple process. I ended up grabbing these little wooden bees that you can get from Dollar Tree. If you can't find them at Dollar Tree, you can also find them on Amazon. I linked those in the description as well. Just to, you know, have some little bees on there because it is a honey pot. And then I ended up just kind of printing on my printer the word honey. I printed it out and then like Mod Podged it or decoupaged it to the front of the container. I'm not going to show that part because it's very easy to do. But yeah, that's literally all that I did. It's a very simple process. This is something that you can literally do in like, you know, 20 minutes or whatever, not including drying time. But yeah, and so this is the final review. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Please leave me a comment, and I appreciate you so much. And as always, keep it sweet and keep it creative.